Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting Windows 11. We will start by opening the device manager from Start. There in the section Bluetooth, double-click on your current driver. Confirm the current status of the device. You can close the window. Now enter services in the search box. Open local services. You will double-click on Bluetooth support service. First, click on the Stop button to stop the service. Then activate it by clicking on Start. After this, in Startup type, choose Automatic. You can apply the changes. Then open the command prompt console as administrator. Press Yes to open it. You will run the command ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Now reset WinSock. Run netsh WinSock reset. Press Enter. To complete this process, reboot your system and you will fix this Bluetooth error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.